Welcome to our guide on how to use QuickBooks for your small business. QuickBooks is a powerful accounting software that offers numerous benefits for managing your finances efficiently. Let's start by setting up your QuickBooks account. Follow this step-by-step guide to get everything ready. Now, let's explore the QuickBooks dashboard. Here are the key features to keep an eye on. Next, we'll go over how to create and manage invoices for your clients seamlessly. It's essential to track your expenses accurately. Let's look at how to record and categorize your business costs. Managing payroll is crucial for your business. Here's how to set up your employees and process payments straightforwardly. Tax preparation doesn't have to be a headache. Here are some tips using QuickBooks to simplify your tax filing. Finally, let's discuss how you can integrate QuickBooks with other business tools to enhance productivity. By following these best practices for utilizing QuickBooks, you'll be well on your way to growing your small business successfully.